Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by cutting variables that hide the problem. Make sure the outlet works and unplug the brick from both the wall and the console. Hold off for 10-15 minutes so internal caps can discharge and any thermal protection can reset. While you wait, visually inspect the brick and both cables for frays, bulges, or burn marks. This is why you unplugged them. If you see damage, stop and replace the brick. If not, plug back in and move to the next step. Once done with the visual check, plug the brick into the wall but not the console and note the LED. Solid, solid orange, or blinking each means different states. Make sure to measure the DC output on the console end with a multimeter. Expect roughly 12-18 V depending on model. This confirms internal regulation. If voltage is absent or unstable, try the brick on a different Xbox 360 or use a known good brick on your console to isolate whether the brick or console is at fault. Finish by applying remedies based on what you found. If the LED stays off or voltage readings are wrong, replace the brick. Internal faults aren't user serviceable. If voltage is good but the console won't power, clean the connector pins with isopropyl and ensure a snug connection. Then try powering with the HDD removed to reduce load. If none of these work, consult a technician because the fault may be internal to the console. One tip: intermittent LEDs often indicate overheating or failing caps. Replace the brick.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.